Away now. Hello. Not too bad. I'm only after losing salmon on the pump house and missed two. Missed the same fish. He took my twice. He went for it twice, didn't take it. Harry said, give me the next cast. Harry's playing it now at the minute. It looks, I haven't really seen it yet because I'm holding one camera. Or holding the phone on one. I think I got that there alright right now. Don't know, £5 plus, I think, Harry. Or, can't. Yeah. Well, we, what? Aye, well, I've the camera running here at the minute. Another one, hopefully. That's Harry this time. You coming down? See, I don't have a pay the time, I'm on Wayne duty. This fish, Harry he hit me twice before. I struck too soon. On third cast, he hit it again the exact same way, and we'd said, Harry, don't hit it till it's fogged. He's on her now. He's went to the dark side. Yep. No, it was just I had two casts and missed him, and he says, give me the next cast. Like, I give him the next cast. You know the lie I like, go on. Yeah. No, not all. It's on the pump house pool, but here, I'm going to have to go here because I'm trying to video this here and I can't do it. Right, good enough. Bye. Where the fuck is it? Got the person on it. Suppose I'm going to have to come down. Not ready yet, Harry. Stick him on there and put him back to me. Oh dear. Oh well, some you won, some you lose.
Alright.
Where do you hit?
Got the sport out of the line.
Oh, that's the say.